Good afternoon. Today we're going to make a Snickers blizzard. Well, like if you get at the Dairy Queen or McDonald's or whatever they make. Well, today I'm using a fun size, so I'm going to use two. And this is the hand blender or emulsifier that I use. I bought this for $7 at Walmart, but they don't have any more. I looked online, and the Bella hand blender with whisk attachment around $16. Anyway, I'll show you what it looks like. See, it's got a little blade, and I bought this off of eBay. This little metal thing. To make, and they're not very expensive. They're pretty cheap. I don't remember what I paid. Like, they were real cheap though, because I bought like 5 of them. I was letting my ice cream thaw a little bit, and then we need milk. I use whole milk, so that's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need this little hand blender. And you're gonna need like a metal thing to, so you can put this down in it. And milk, ice cream, and Snickers. I'm gonna take a hammer of these. These are cold. I do freeze them. These come out of the freezer. And I'm gonna put this in a baggie. I'm gonna open them, put them in a baggie, crush them up with a hammer, so that we can mix it in our ice cream blizzard. Okay, let me do that right now. Okay, now remember, these got to be frozen so that when you take a hammer to them, they just crack up real easy. And that's 2 of the little fun size. And those fun sizes seem like they're getting smaller and smaller, but this should be enough for flavor. You can do 3 if you wanted. Okay, now first I'm going to put my ice cream in. My ice cream's hard. I had to put it in the microwave for a minute. Soften it up. It's because it come out of the deep freeze. Now when it's in my regular refrigerator, it won't be that hard. So, and if there's any drippings on top, pour that in your aluminum can thing for ice cream. Pour it in there first. This gets real cold when you put it in there. This is frost. But anyway, it's got like lines. So mine's not solid to that line, so I guess I got about that much. 1, 2.5 of these dots. And then I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to go ahead and put my Snickers in there. Okay, I got my Snickers in there. Now I'm going to put a little milk. Not a whole lot, because this is going to be let's see, just a little bit. Okay. I might have put too much, because you can see how much I put in there. Of course, that's setting on top of ice cream. Now we're going to stick the blender in there. I don't know if I can hold this and blend it. I wouldn't want it to fall over. Okay. Get this a little closer to where I got it plugged in at. Stick this in there. And you want to push it down to the bottom. So now it's not going to cut your tin, because it doesn't go It's got a self-protect. I'll put a link to the hand blender and the aluminum can in the description. And thank y'all. Y'all come back, keep watching.